Factory 5 3.1 Complete Kit Cobra from Factory 5. I got in January of 2009. This is a little video of it. Live near the airport, so lots of airplanes. It's a TKO 600 transmission. Haven't done any body work on it yet. Here's the back side of it. And here's from passenger side shot. Haven't installed the carpet yet. I was gonna do that last after I painted it. When I get around to painting it, if I ever do. Apartment. This is a 460 Ford that I put new stroker kit in. Made it a 521 after boring and stroking. Just the front of it here. Shot over here. Took me a while to build it. The MSD ignition for the MSD distributor. Harley 4150 double pumper carburetor. All that new from Summit. Like pretty much all the rest of the engine parts that I bought, including the stroker kit. It was a Summit kit. Back again, there's no power steering. As you can see, there's no power steering pumps or anything, just a regular water pump down there. There's the horns. Not really a show prize motor, but it's nice and big. Windshield wipers do work. I installed those. Took me about a couple of days to do that. I have to make this quick because it's going to start raining here again. This is a cold start. Electric fuel pump. Okay. Haven't started in a couple of days. How easy it fires up.